It's okay to seek help. It's okay na mag-ask ka ng help na, I need help. Kasi yun yung talaga yung okay, I pass, I need help, I need to pass, I failed. Where do I sign up? Take my money. Ganon.
Mm-mm.
At tapos, I've also learned that you're not alone in this journey kasi people will come along to help you as well. Because, for example, nung nagre-review pa ako with iPass, one day parang I've encountered this sa chat group na sabi niya, Ma'am, magkano yung UWorld? Tapos parang sumagot, si Ma'am San yata yun. Parang sinabi ni Ma'am na you can check on the website, parang ganun. Tapos sabi niya, ay ang mahal naman pala. Tapos me sitting there, parang sabi ko, aha. Sabi ko ganun, aha. Sabi ko, why not? I would purchase UWorld. Tapos, I would do Zoom. Tapos, we would do a Zoom party. Doon na
Mm-mm.
nagsimula. So, I purchased the Zoom. For me, my real intention was to gather different nurses in one study group na they would tutor me. But actually, sir, what turns out is that we are gaining from each other. So some of them message me that they are thankful na yung initiative na yun, parang they would see a window of what NCLEX looks like. Kasi UWorld is the closest
Mm-mm.
sa when it comes to feel and color Tapos we were able to share each other's what we've learned. Even sometimes we would say, yung question na to, it was Sir J who taught this. It was Ma'am Pa who taught this. Manggigigil ako kapag mali yung answer niyo. Parang ganun ba?
Mm-mm.
Parang every time na mag-Zoom party kami, parang we would brought up what we've learned from iPads. Parang the friendship, siguro I could say friendship that we've built, or let's say kahit hindi na lang friendship, camaraderie.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to IPAS Online Review and Mentoring Academy. My name is John, and I'll be your host for tonight. Here at Hope Talk, we invite successful IPAS Online Review candidates in the NCLEX to share their wonderful stories and learnings from their journey in achieving the goals of becoming registered nurses in the USA, Canada, and Australia. With that, I would like to introduce to you our newest NGN passer, Sir Paul Terence Og. Lera Og, sorry, USRN. Hi, Sir Paul. Good evening.
Good evening po sa inyo at good morning po sa andito po sa eastern part po. I mean sa
Yes.
western part, sorry.
Yes, Sir Paul. Saan po sa western part? Canada?
I'm in Canada po ngayon. Nasa capital po ako, Ottawa po.
Oh, Ottawa. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Sir, how was the
Yeah.
feeling po in passing the NCLEX?
To be honest with you, it's like 2 months or magto 2 months na in 10 days. Pero parang over the moon pa rin. Parang
Oh,
everyday hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na sa wakas, di ba, USRN na and soon hopefully maging Canadian RN na rin.
wow, sir. I'm really hoping po, no, soon na maging Canadian RN na yan. So there's still some
Hopefully.
process, no?
Yes. I'm just waiting for a document from New York and yun na lang talaga yung kulang. Tapos I will do my safe practice kasi dito po sa Ontario, like after you transferred everything from New York or
Mhm.
whatever state na nag-ano ng NCLEX, you still need to do safe practice po at least 200 hours before they will give you your license.
And for sure, sir, you will achieve those things very soon enough,
Hopefully.
hopefully this year.
Hopefully, sir, kasi wala po akong bedside experience. So, I am more on teaching at saka school nursing po yung experiences ko.
Ayan. And sir, we
Yeah.
are really excited po, no, for you to share your stories behind ano ba nangyari on your journey. Sir Paul, can you share a bit about your educational background and your working experiences?
I graduated my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing like more than 10 years ago. And I passed my NLA more than 10 years ago na rin. So, kayo na mag-compute. Bahala kayo dyan. Anyway, so I was not given the opportunity to work as an RN in the Philippines because ang dami-dami natin back then. So parang ang daming surplus. So I ended up working in a call center kasi I was depressed. Like literally depressed kasi wala kaming backer. Kaya we were not given the opportunity to work as a nurse. So what I did, instead of sulking, I was like, what am I good into? So I remember my CIs would usually say, you're really good in, ito yung sabi nila ha, you're really good in teaching. But actually, sir, ang totoo niyan, tamad po ako. Kasi dati, di ba, hindi pa yung masyadong nauso yung mga projector-projector. So, nasa Manila paper pa yung mga teaching period natin sa CHN. So, sabi ko, okay, you'll do the working, I will do the talking. So, ganun na lang.
Mm.
So, yun yung setup namin. So, every time na may mga reporting, may mga health teaching, I'll do the talking and you do the talk, the working para sila yung gagawa ng mga Manila paper kasi tamad po ako. So, yun. So, nag-enroll po ako for diploma in teaching and luckily I also passed the exam for LET, also a
For
licensed teacher.
teachers.
Yeah. And I also tried to apply through DepEd and schools. Wala pa rin po. So I've decided to move to other countries. So buti pa yung other country nagbibigay ng chance sa akin. So I was ended up working in Thailand as both teacher and a school nurse. O, di ba? Yung sarili kong bansa. Pero hindi na ako bitter ngayon. Yung ibang bansa nagbigay sa akin ng chance to be a teacher at the same time as a nurse. So, yun na nga. So, after I ended up in Thailand, I proceed my master's in education po. And I was able to finish it sa awa ng Diyos. 2020. And then 2021 came, parang na-bored ako. Nag-enroll ulit ako sa master's naman sa nursing. So, hi Ma'am Maureen, yung kaklase ko dyan sa master's. Classmate ko rin dito sa IPAS. Yan. So, yun na nga. 2021 came nung nag-enroll ako kasi sabi ko, I need to refresh my nursing skills kasi nakikita ko na sa mga news na ito na yung pagkakataon kung marami ng nurses na nagli-leave ng profession dahil sa pandemic. Sabi ko, yes, this is my opportunity. So kailangan ko mag-refresh kasi I need to prepare myself going back to the battlefield. Yun. So at the same time, parang nag-start na rin yung process ko with IPAS processing for my eligibility for New York Board of Nursing. Hindi ko inakala na very smooth. So thank you IPAS processing, 'di ba? So baka naman yun. Napa-flag pa eh. So yun, 2022 came, parang okay, parang may life turnaround kasi parang gumugulong na yung visa ko dito sa Canada. And then February 2023, naalala ko I got my visa. So supposedly, uuwi muna ako sa Pilipinas at doon muna ako magpa-practice kasi for the first time in forever, o 'di ba? Marami ng hospital na nagkakandara pa, okay, dito ka sa amin, oh, you're hired, you're hired. Kahit nandun pa ako sa Bangkok, nagtuturo, talagang from time to time, mayroong nagsisend ng ano ba yun, interview invite. So yun, and luckily, I was accepted in 3 hospital in Metro Manila. Kasi gusto ko talagang mag-located sa Metro Manila kasi malapit sa Canadian Embassy just in case they will summon me. So yun, hindi siya umabot doon kasi I remember I was in the bank. I'm already canceling my credit cards, my bank accounts kasi dapat 1 month before ka umalis ng Thailand, na-cancel mo na lahat yun or else mahihirapan kang bawiin yung pera mo na nakadeposit. So I was sitting there in the bank. I got called in Canadian Embassy to sign some papers. Tapos after 2 weeks, nandiyan na yung visa ko. And fast forward, nung nandito na ako, I arrived April, May, nag-chat si iPass out of nowhere. Like, sir, andito na yung ATT mo. So ano na, I was like, so I was like, anong gagawin ko? So yun na nga. I was like, okay. And I'm already starting my work. Kasi pagdating ko dito, hinintay na ako ng employer ko. Like, pero after 40 days pa ako nagpakita kasi sabi niya naman oh, edi magliwaliw ka muna, mag-blend in ka muna sa Canadian community and to immerse yourself. Yun. So, after 40 days, nag-work ako. Doon pa siya yung si iPass nag-send ng news na I got the ATP. So what I did, kasi matigas ang ulo ko, sir, nag-self-review ako. And from May, parang nag-purchase ako ng maraming sangkatutak na mga review materials. Hindi ko inisip yung yung review center. Kasi I was like, Na self-review ko nga yung NLE at saka yung LET, yung NCLEX pa kaya sabi ko, pero may kaba ako kasi syempre more than 10 years na, di ba? Sabi ko, siguro naman kaya ko to. Pero sir, December 18, 2023, that was my first time sitting on a chair. Tapos kumuha ko ng first take ko. Nanigas talaga ako, sir.
Mm,
Tapos nung naman ko, December 22 na yun, 2020, December 21, 22, talagang iyak ng iyak at saka depressed ako kahit sa work. Sabi nila, parang hindi ikaw yung Paul.
mm,
Parang hindi ikaw kasi kahit some of them, they know. Pero yun na nga, some of them, they didn't know that I took the exam. So, December 27, naalala ko pa, nag-chat na ako sa iPass. Kasi napapagalitan ako ng friends ko. Sabi nila, yan kasi ang tigas ng ulo mo. Sabi na sa'yo, mag-review center ka. So, yun. I chose iPass kasi sila rin naman yung nag-process ng papers ko. So, lalayo pa ba ako? So, yun na nga. So, January 3, I officially joined the mentorship and iPass Academy. Day 1 yun ng respiratory ni Sir J, respiratory system lecture ni Sir J. Kaya lang,
mm.
nag-exit ako kasi sabi ko, ano na, 10:30 a.m. na. So, nasa kalagitnaan na. So, officially nag-join ako January 4. Yun. So,
Mm.
doon na nag-start. Yan.
Thank you for sharing, Sir Paul. Medyo na-visualize ko rin yung mga moments na binabanggit niyo po, no? So, what do you think po yung mga nakatulong sa inyo or have helped you about your working experiences incorporating these things po dun sa review?
I was a science teacher back in Bangkok for almost 8 years. So, syempre, sa kakaturo mo, parang yung mga blood work, kasi yung mga ibang concept ba. At saka, ito lang yung naalala ko, sir. As I did my review with iPass, parang kinakalkal niya yung dati mong pinag-aralan nung NLE days pa. Tapos parang nilalagay niya sa surface. Parang ganon. Especially yung mga lecturers natin na ang gagaling. So, tapos working in teaching field, parang I've already learned how to learn as well on my own.
Mm.
And parang I've also developed my own study regimen or study habit kasi nagma-masters din ako. So sabi ko, okay, ito yung gagawin natin. Pero hindi siya umubra nung nag-self-review
Mm.
ako. Pero with the guidance of IPAS, yun naman, I was able to make it.
And what do you think po, sir, the reasons, no? Or the differences when you do your self-review and attending the online review?
Okay, so kasi sir, before, hindi kasi ako, dati kasi sir, parang mahilig akong mag-solo, like, okay, I need to focus, yan. I need to like, kapag review lang talaga. But as we age pala, parang nag-iiba yung ano natin, yung ating behavior towards certain things. So, nung nag-self-review ako, sir, usually I would wake up around 7. Tapos I
Mm.
would go to YouTube. Tapos alam mo yun sorry kung po pwede ba yung babanggitin dito, si Registered Nurse RN, si
Mm.
Nurse Sarah, yan. I would watch the video, tapos yun, take down notes ko. Ito na nga po siya, sir. Oo, di ba? May pa-props pa.
Amazing.
Yan. So, sorry kung hindi siya makikita. So, yan na yung na-accumulate ko through ano ko, through my self-review. Tapos, nung nag-review ako sa iPass, ang maganda doon because I met new friends. I met new friends. Kahit di pa kami nag-met personally yon, yung mga kasisiw ko dyan,
Mm.
GC 12.2, GC 12.3, yan. I met new friends. So, kasi parang naalala ko nung third day ko ba yun sa review, si Ma'am Pao yung lecturer. Sabi niya, ang mga bago dito, wag kayong ma-intimidate ha. Ako naman, parang sumagot ako, sabi ko, kasi ito parating sabi ko sa ano ko, sa mga estudyante ko dati na, don't be intimidated because what they know, you might know, but what you know, they might know. So, ganun lang yun. So, meron kang alam na hindi nila alam, meron din sila alam na hindi mo alam. So, equal lang yan. We are in the equal playing field. So, ganyan yung sinagot ko kay Ma'am Pao, yung open pa yung GC kasi ay yung interaction, napakaganda.
Thank you for
Yan,
sharing, Sir Paul, no?
yan.
And ano po yung mga lessons that we have learned during the second time around that you have taken the NCLEX that you did not do anymore?
It's okay to seek help. O, di ba? Parang mental problem lang. It's okay to seek help. It's okay na mag-ask ka ng help na, I need help. Kasi yun yung talaga yung okay, I pass, I need help, I need to pass, I failed. Where do I sign up? Take my money. Ganon.
Mm-mm.
At tapos, I've also learned that you're not alone in this journey kasi people will come along to help you as well. Because, for example, nung nagre-review pa ako with iPass, kasi wala na akong Moodle ngayon, so hindi na ako nakakapag-review na masyado. One day, parang I've encountered this sa chat group na sabi niya, Ma'am, magkano yung UWorld? Tapos parang sumagot, si Ma'am San yata yun. Parang sinabi ni Ma'am na you can check on the website, parang ganun. Tapos sabi niya, ay, ang mahal naman pala. Tapos me sitting there, parang sabi ko, aha. Sabi ko ganun, aha. Sabi ko, why not? I would purchase UWorld. Tapos, I would do Zoom. Tapos, we would do a Zoom party. Doon na nagsimula. So I purchased the Zoom. Yun na nga, pinurchase ko yung Zoom. Tapos naalala ko yung first Zoom party namin. Yung mga ka-Zoom party ko dyan. Ma'am Roslyn, Sir Peter, hi. Ma'am Jen, di ba? Ma'am Raquel, sino pa ba? Dami nila. Mamaya na kayo ng shout out ha. Mamaya na. Ma'am Lizette, Ma'am Arlene. Oo, yan. So, yun na nga, sir. So, for me, my real intention was to gather different nurses in one study group na they would tutor me. But actually, sir, what turns out is that we are gaining from each other. So some of them message me that they are thankful na yung initiative na yun, parang they would see a window of what NCLEX looks like. Kasi UWorld is the closest
Mm-mm.
sa when it comes to feel and color Tapos we were able to share each other's what we've learned. Even sometimes we would say, yung question na to, it was Sir J who taught this. It was Ma'am Pa who taught this. Manggigigil ako kapag mali yung answer niyo. Parang ganun ba?
Mm-mm.
Parang minsan kapag ano lang kami, nag-Zoom party, sorry ha lagi kasi kakagising ko lang kanina. Kakagising ko lang talaga.
That's all right, sir.
So, every time na mag-Zoom party kami, parang we would brought up what we've learned from iPads. Parang the friendship, siguro I could say friendship that we've built or let's say kahit hindi na lang friendship, camaraderie. Let's say gano'n na lang. So we are just bunch of group of students. We have the same goal and that is to beat NCLEX BAT.
Ayan, sir. Thank you, Sir Paul, for sharing this. No, not everyone is able to have their own study buddy rin. Taking the initiative of providing po, no, an avenue for those nurses that you will be able to learn from each other. So, ang ganda
Yeah.
po ng dynamics ninyo. Parang so far, this time around, ngayon ko pa lang to narinig, like the Zoom party. You're having your own
Yeah, we,
study
we
group,
had
no?
Zoom party. Actually, sir, we lost count. I remember July 1st, you interviewed Sir Aldrin. Yeah, fun fact, he's the first one who passed the NCLEX NGN in our group, study group.
Nice.
Yeah, on that day, he messaged me if he's going to mention my name. I was like, but I was asleep. And the moment that I replied, the Hope Talk is done. So, sabi
He did
ko, okay lang.
mention you.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So, yun na nga. So, yan, parang ang ganda lang sir kasi lately parang maganda na yung dynamics that as what you've said kasi may mga pakulo kami sir like I
Mm-mm.
would activate HR na Dilulu. Yan. Si HR na Dilulu
Mm.
na favorite ni Ma'am Yuki. Hi Ma'am Yuki, o di ba? At saka ni Sir MedSurge, Sir Peter, yon. Kasi sir, si HR na Dilulo, kapag activated siya, kasi ganito yung ginagawa namin sir Kapag may case study kami, like for let's say for 6 pages, ginagawa ko, sabi ko, okay, imagine me as your Dilulong HR. So if you can be able to perfect 6 pages without any mistake, kasi I realized lately na ang scores pala, yung weight nasa case study.
Mm-mm.
Kasi I've realized na one case study na 6 pages, it would bear around 20 to 30, meron pang 30 points if I would base it on New World. So let's say kapag tatlo yung 6 pages mo na case study, let's say 20 points each set, that would be 60. Kung 30 naman, that would be 90. So kaya parang sinasabi ko sa kanila na you need to focus on case study. So yun, for them to be motivated, kahit delusional lang, I would say, okay, imagine, I am your employer. If you will be able to pass, if you'll be able to perfect these 6 pages, I will give you a signing bonus of $50,000.
Wow.
Ganon. Parang maganon ba, sir? Para ma-motivate sila because these things actually exist in the real world. Kahit dito sa Canada, they would offer, okay, signing bonus of 30,000, signing bonus of 40,000. So, who would be like motivated with that kind of offer? Tapos kapag nakuha na, oh, si Ma'am Arlene, future Californian RN, si
Wow.
Sir Peter, si Ma'am Roslyn, mga suki ko yan sa mga ano. Minsan kinukumpra nila yung ano, yung mga pa-offer. Yan, si Ma'am
Mm-mm.
Yuki naman, parang parati siyang ano, naghumihirit ng, Sir, consolation. Sabi ko, okay, consolation prize, one-way trip to North Korea.
Wow.
Ganon.
That's very
Mga ganun ba?
entertaining,
Mga
sir.
ganun
Yeah.
pakulo. So, tapos meron pa kami isa, sir, yung kapag kasi nasa work ako at nakaupo na ako, mga around 8 a.m. sa Pilipinas, I would sit down in my corner. Shout out nga pala sa mga co-worker ko na they would keep me inside the room and then they would lie just
Oh.
to for me to study. Yes, sir, totoo yan. They would lie na, oh, that patient is agitated, so we need to put Paul there. So work mom, work sis, hello. So yun na nga, I would sit down, sir, with my iPad because UAP ako dito. So we have this iPad where we document stuff. And after I document stuff, I would access UWorld and sometimes I would take a picture of the question and I just randomly send it to the GC. And
Mm.
if they would answer back, I would take
Mm.
a picture of the rationale and I would send it back to them. So yun yung routine namin. Pero lately parang it's kind of bit busy kasi naging mabigat yung unit ko. Pero if I have the opportunity from now and then, I'm still doing that.
Thank you, Sir Paul. Alam mo, napakabusilak po ng puso niyo, no?
Ay,
You're
grabe
not
naman.
only learning for yourself, but you are sharing the knowledge to your group mates po, no? Parang ganyan. Parang balik sa ano, balik sa school ang nangyayari.
Kasi sir, ganito yan. Learning process is a two-way process eh. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, yung alam mo, di ko alam. Yung alam ko, di mo
Mm.
alam. So
Yeah.
kapag mag-exchange tayo ng information, those gaps will be filled. Kasi minsan sir, kahit kami nag-a-answer kami kapag nagtatakol kami ng question sa UWorld, we would dissect it. Tapos minsan, sumisimplang kami. So, kapag na-notice ko, sir, if you're going to do practice test or UWorld practice questions, tapos sumemplang ka, tapos lahat kayo sumemplang, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Bakit? Hindi ka nag-iisa. Yan. Tapos minsan naman, sure na kami sa answers namin. Ay, ganyan na yan. Tapos mali pala kami lahat. O, di ba? Tawa kami, ganyan. Tapos minsan, okay, ganyan pala yan. Okay, now we know. Now we know. Mga ganun ba? And we would actually share best practices. And sometimes nag-o-open mic kami. Tapos, especially si Ma'am Roslyn, she's very vocal sa group.
Mm.
She would share her knowledge. Nakapasa na rin siya. Hi, Ma'am Roslyn.
Wow.
Yan nga.
Ayun, sir, no, ang ganda po ng ginawa nyo. Parang one of the right study strategies dito sa preparation nyo. So you not only focus po dun sa mga resources na meron kayo, but you also extend this like practice questions to your study buddies para
Mm-mm.
makover yung mga content areas
Mm-mm.
thoroughly. So meron kayong regular session, no, or revisiting the challenging topics na rin at some
Mm-mm.
point. So not only you're doing for the practice questions, but meron kayong mga recaps of the discussion. So
Mm.
it's good to engage with this material po, no, that help you solidify your understanding, not only to yourself, but to the rest of your group mates. But
Oo,
sir, we
kasi
wanted to know how did you yourself alone structured your study plan before you did this Zoom party?
okay, ito na nga sir, ito na nga. Ang hirap, wala akong structure sir. Wala akong structure. Kasi I was doing my practicum for my master's degree since January. Tapos nag-join pa ako sa Cycle 12, middle of Cycle 12. Yun, so wala akong structure, sir. So what I did was, as much as possible, I would attend the live lecture. Tapos take note, talagang todong take notes ako. Like, good iPad is a good an investment na rin kasi minsan dyan ka na rin nag-notes. So, tapos minsan nga nagpiprito ako ng manok, nasusunog na kasi nandun pa rin ako nakatutok sa Yeah, totoo yan, sir. And minsan nga, nature cold, tapos wala akong choice kasi ang saya ng lecture ni Ma'am San. So, I would sit down the toilet, do my business, and buti may bathtub ako. So, pinatong ko doon yung laptop ko. At saka, even though, syempre, after that, I wash my hands. Di ba? Oo. So, tapos meron din po akong minsan, nasa bus ako kasi I don't know how to drive yet. So, nasa bus or sa train, I would read my notes. Yun. Tapos, starting March, naalala ko, kasi na bedridden ako. Like, di naman siguro na bedridden. Parang na bedbound ako kasi nagkasakit ako. Eh. Kasi, after ng practicum ko, bumagsak yung katawan ko. Tapos doon ko naumpisahan yung March 4. I started my Q Banks March 4. Ginawa ko, sir, every week. Yung first week ko is 40. Yung second
Mm.
week, 50 questions. Tapos nag-increase na siya na nag-increase. Tapos March 4 ako nag-start. Yung first rest ko was April 2. Natatandaan ko pa kasi napagsabihan ako ni Ma'am Pao. Hi, Ma'am Pao. So, ganun. So, napagsabihan ako ni Ma'am Pao, sabi niya, Paul, this is already an obsession because start from March 4 to April 1st, parang minsan na-addict ako, sir, sa QBanks. Totoo to, sir. I'm not exaggerating. Sometimes I would reach 400 questions a day. Parang twice ko na nangyari yon. Yung regular ko talaga is 160 questions a day. Yun yung talaga. Tapos, kasi ano yun eh, ang maximum is 85, di ba? Ginagawa ko lang siyang 80, tapos makadalawang sets ako per day. Pero umabot rin ako ng 5, yun, 80 times 5. Tapos parang napagsabihan ako ni Ma'am Pao na, no, this is insane. This is an obsession already. Stop, rest. So yun, April to, nakapag-rest ako.
Sir, si Ma'am Pao po ba yung coach ninyo?
Actually, hindi. Si Ma'am Ann. Hi, Ma'am Ann. Sorry po, hindi na po kita inabala. Kasi ganito po yan, parang nag-avail ako ng coaching session na yan because I just wanted to air out my frustration. Bakit ako
Mm.
na-fail sa first day? Kasi ginawa ko naman lahat. Kinatdown ko yung pagpe-PlayStation, kinatdown ko yung gala-gala, gumising ako ng maaga. So, kinatdown ko yung shifts ko. Bakit ako, so parang nag-vent out lang ako. Tapos,
Mm.
yun, we kind of talk online. Yun lang.
So nag-usap po kayo during the initial coaching session.
Mm-mm.
What was the
Mm-mm.
best advice did Coach Ann provided you that you have incorporated po during your preparation?
Sabi niya, don't give up. Sabi niya ganun, like, it's just a setback. Parang ganun yung sinabi niya na, sometimes, like, even successful people, they have their own setbacks in life. So, what you can do if, whenever you encounter this kind of roadblock, find a reroute. Parang ganun yung sinabi niya.
That's
Yeah.
very nice. That's very nice, Sir Paul.
Mhm.
You mentioned about the practice questions po. Ano po yung mga most challenging part of taking practice exams? Yeah.
Madami.
What are
Kasi,
those challenging parts, sir, and how did you overcome those challenges?
challenging part, yung mga bago sa paningin ko. Like, yung mga medication, yung mga pamamaraan, kasi iba yung pamamaraan nila sa US kaysa sa Pinas.
Mm.
So, as I go through the questions po, parang pinapaulit-ulit ko yung mga weak spots ko, like OB, meds, pharma, pedya. Nako, sir, kapag nagpa-party kami, kapag OB, OB na naman. Kapag pedya, pedya na naman. Kapag pharma na naman. So, what we did, sir, is like, or what I did, kung ako lang yung nagko-Q-Banks, kasi si UWorld, pwede mo siyang ma-configure na, okay, throw me all pharmacological related questions lang. Throw me all OB at pedia lang. Parang ganun ba?
Mm.
So, what I did, every time na mag-answer ako, kasi tutored parati yan, pag send mo ng submit, maglalabas yung yung rational. So, binabasa ko talaga yan. At more specifically, nagfo-focus ako sa mali ko. Kapag ako lang yung nag-a-answer.
Mm.
Yun. Actually, meron pa nga akong, sana ba yung notebook of shame. Meron ako doon, NCLEX notebook of shame, na every time na magkakamali ako, isusulat ko yung rationale ng mali ako. Pero sabi ni Ma'am San at saka ni Ma'am Pao, no! Stop that. Stop doing that. Kasi si Ma'am San at saka si Sir Ryan eventually naging, like parang kuya ate ba or best friend mong kaklase mong brainy tapos sila yung malalapitan mong, hoy, mali ako dito. Pero in fairness to our lecturers, they are very accommodating.
I
So yun,
agree to
sir.
that, sir. Kapag may mga questions kayo, no, they don't hesitate to answer you.
They
Especially
don't.
kapag may mga corrections, no, they will be
Mm-mm.
humble enough to accept that. But para naman ito sa ating mga classmates. And
Mm-mm.
during the practice questions, Sir Paul, no, do you encounter any low scores? Mga ganyan. And how do you handle parang mga discouraging results from practice tests?
Ito, sir, ito, on my first on my first attempt, I purchased Kaplan. Sorry, Kaplan. Ang pinaka-highest kong score doon, sir, is 55%, if I can remember. At saka one time lang yun. One time lang yata yun na nangyari. Pero nung New World, kasi with iPass, lecture and review academy or mentoring academy, plus U-World, napakagandang combination. O, di ba? Dapat na akong endorser. Baka naman, U-World, baka naman iPass.
Baka nakikinig po.
Oh. So, yun na nga, sir. Parang, ang nangyayari doon is that, nung nag-start ako U-World, yung score ko, sir, lately, hindi na siya bumababa ng 60%. Kasi sabi ni Ma'am Pao, ang passing naman talaga kasi is 50 eh, according sa Google ha. Pero sabi ni Ma'am Pao, don't aim for 50, aim for 60 para mayroon kang ano ba, extra gap.
Yeah.
Ganon. So, ang pinaka-highest ko, sir, was 95. I was able to get 95 for 80
Oh.
questions. And 80 questions, I got 95. Tapos, yung pinakamababa ko was 40 something. Oo.
Mm.
So, whenever I do that, sir, whenever I have low scores, ginagawa ko, binabawi ko sa next set. Hindi ako natutulog. Kaya nag-intervene na si Ma'am Pao na this is already obsession kasi sinisend ko kay
Mm.
Ma'am Pao yung mga picture na yung mga ano kasi makikita mo yan sa history eh. Minsan nakakatatlong sets ako, minsan nakakaapat kasi hindi ko siya talaga tatantanan. Para siyang game na you need to beat your personal yung high score. Parang
Yes,
ganun siya.
yes. I get you.
Ganun yung tingin niya sa akin. So, di ko talaga siya titigilan. So, kasi every time na mag-second set ako, second set ng questions, second 80 or second 50, second 60 ko, doon na siya bumababa. Like for
Mm.
example, maka 79 ako sa first set and then babagsak siya ng 68 sa second. So, doon ako na-frustrate. So, sabi ni Ma'am Pao, you need to take a rest rin kasi wag obsession yung papapairalin. So, yun nga. I took my first rest. April 2. O, diba? Naalala ko pa. Yan.
Nice. And so when did you took the exam po?
Oh, I took the exam, my birth month, May 18 po.
Oh,
May 18
nice.
morning po. Kasi last time I took it December 18 din.
Mhm.
7 a.m. It was raining. Parang bad omen na yun eh. Malakas na yun eh. Pero nung tinake ko nung May, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng araw. 'Di ba? The birds are chirping, the sun is out. Parang ganun mga drama. So
Yeah.
sabi ko, it's a sign na. Tapos I really had a good May this year. Lahat ng signs binigay ni Lord this year. Kasi sabi ko, Lord, bigyan mo naman ako ng sign kung makapasa ako. Kasi
Mhm.
originally, sir, planning to take the exam March. Kaya siguro nasendan ako ng anxiety management. Nagulat na lang ako March 1, parang may anxiety management na link.
Mhm.
Tapos sabi ko, clinic ko naman. Kasi from iPass eh. Tapos may Zoom pala with Ma'am Rachel at saka Sir Zaspa, Sir Mark. Yon. Sabi nila, ay, magte-take ka ba ngayon, Sir Paul, nitong March? Sabi ko, hindi po. Eh, bakit ka nandito? Sabi ko. Sabi ko, hindi ko po alam. Tapos doon ko na-realize na, I remember, I told Ma'am Ann, yung coach, na I'm planning to take the exam March. Pero
Mhm.
planning pa rin naman, pa lang naman, hindi ko naman kinonfirm na March talaga. Because of my practicum po, na-move siya. Kasi busy ako sa practicum eh.
That's all right, sir. It's really important din to attend the anxiety management class para naman ma-lessen yung anxieties natin and you can get a chance to talk kung what to expect during your examination day. Because when we anticipate things, no, it will increase our anxiety. We try to
Mm.
maintain low anxiety, parang ganyan, di ba?
Mm.
And with regards to your practice test, kasi it's really, for me, it's highly advisable talaga when you do your practice test because it will highlight your strengths and
Yeah.
mapipinpoint dito yung mga areas that you need more attention. So maganda rin yung
Nakakita.
activities na ginagawa niyo po, no? Na you are taking down notes dun sa mga mistakes ninyo. And no wonder, sir, ang ganda ng preparation ninyo. But may I ask, Sir Paul, how many months did you prepare for this NCLEX?
Okay, from the second time. Okay, so yun na nga. June 3rd, I officially joined IPAS Mentoring Academy. Tapos, as much as possible, inaaraw-araw ko talaga yung live lecture. Doon lang ako nag-ano nung February, parang nag-switch ako sa team recording. Ang boring pala. Kasi hindi ko makikita yung mga bardagulan sa group chat. Actually, sir, the group chat also helped me retain information. Kasi minsan may mga pa-segue na mga stories na related sa topic. So yun, I was able to remember. Naalala ko talaga. So, kaya nga parang nalungkot ako for whatever reason na wala nang chat box ngayon. So, kasi that's where I met my friends now, online friends. And hopefully, maging na talaga, face-to-face friends.
Yes.
Kapag makikita na kami sa New York. Because we're planning like in the future, we would like to meet in New York eventually. Kasi malapit na
Wow.
naman yung New York sa akin eh.
That's nice
Yeah.
to know, sir. Ano yan eh, parang you can also message them po dun sa sarili nyong messenger group chat. So, in spite
Mm-mm.
dun sa chat box, at least you can still gain more friends doon, no? And you can
Yeah.
incorporate pa yung mga practice questions like you're doing the
Mm.
screenshot para dun din ma-sense.
Sorry sir, I'm just thankful na before parang i-disable yung chat box, I was able to experience na just like what previous cycle experience na open yung chat box. So, buti na lang nakapasa na ako. Kasi ano, yun nga lang, I understand the sentiments of my classmates. So, wala tayong magagawa eh. So, yun na.
Yeah. Thank you so
Anyways,
much, Sir Paul, for
yeah.
your understanding. But
Yeah.
parang feeling ko, hindi kayo nagpapahinga or natuto. But how did you manage your time po between studying and other responsibilities?
Well, I actually do planning po. Kasi yung work sis ko, hi sis, she would cook meals for me sometimes. Just like today, ang baon namin, corn silog, o di ba?
Sarap. Sarap.
Siya luto. So, ganun yun. Ganun yun, sir. Tapos, ginagawa ko, sir, before I go to sleep, sometimes I would prepare everything for the next day. Yung mga gagamitin. Ano na ba, chill. Tapos, yung i-defrost, dapat nang i-defrost para prituhin na lang kung kailangan iprituhin. Yung mga yung mga labahan, nakaschedule rin po yan. Tapos, mostly nagke-create ako ng bulk meal, yung parang reheat na lang, ganun.
Mm-mm. Iba kasi no, pag we are working overseas, we don't have so
Mm-mm.
much time in preparing these things. Talagang
Mm,
kailangan natin i-schedule ang laundry, ang food preparation, and many other things. That's why
tama.
in a way, it will be easier for us i-follow yung mga schedules na yun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So sa cleaning naman, sir, I just hired someone to clean my apartment every now and then kasi hindi naman ako makala, tapos umuwi lang naman ako dito matulog, kumain at saka
Mhm.
mag-unwind, mag-study. So hindi talaga ako makalat sa bahay. Except na lang kung nandito ako sa bahay, doon ako mas makalat.
If
Okay
you don't
nga.
mind asking, Sir Paul, no, are you alone po dyan sa Canada? Like, are you with your family there?
No, I don't have a family here. I have
Okay.
friends, yes, but family, no.
And so for those people po, no, who are studying alone and being away
Mm.
from their family po, no, how are you able to maintain po a positive mindset throughout your preparation?
Positive mindset, hindi ko maasahan yung family ko dyan. Not because they are not supportive. Ganito yan kasi, sir. Every time na mag-e-air ako ay, mababa naman ako sa yung score ko sa U-World. Parang di ko to kaya. Tapos sasabihin lang ng nanay ko, just do your best. Tapos nung nakapasa ako, yung sagot niya lang, what's new? Parang gano'n lang, parang they are supportive of you. Pero parang di sila vocal na parang kasi hindi sila parang binibaby ka nila. So, Yung mga sisters ko naman, yun nga, yung mga sisters ko sabi nila, when I failed the first time, share ko lang, sir. Sabi niya, to 2023, binigay sa'yo yung visa mo. Nakalan ka sa Canada, permanent resident. Binigyan ka ng trabaho, naghintay pa yung employer mo. Tapos gusto mo ibibigay sa'yo yung NCLEX kagad-agad. Napaka-spoiled mo naman yata, sabi ng sister ko. So sabi niya, maghintay ka. At sabi ng sister ko, ikaw kasi matigas yung ulo mo. Hindi ka kasi nag-review center. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Sabi, oh, sige, okay, fine. Kaya I did the review center. So, going back to your questions, how did I manage po, sir? Ano lang talaga, dasal
Mm,
at saka I always believe kasi sir that if you wanna be coach or if you wanna be motivated, be your own motivator first, be your own coach first. Kasi walang kwenta yung coaching kung ikaw mismo sa sarili mo hindi ka naniniwala na may potential ka or pwede na kaya mo. Ganon. So parang yung analogy ko yan, yung coaching at saka motivation is parang patient lang yan eh.
mm,
Yung patient na inoferan mo ng gamot para gumaling, kung ayaw niyang tanggapin yung gamot kasi sawa na siya sa buhay niya, eh di wag, oh, ito waiver, sign. Ganun lang yan. So kung yung patient na gusto talagang mag-try na mabuhay pa, iti-take yung medicine niya. So kagaya rin yan ng pagre-review natin. So if you really want US RN, Canadian RN, Australian RN, then do your freaking job. Kasi wag lang yung, ay, si Lord nang bahala o anong gusto mo. Bababa si Lord at ibibigay sa yung certificate mo. Ganon, wala kang gagawin. Mm. Parang gano'n lang, sir.
yes,
Mm.
that's nice. It's like a real talk, no? And sir, I'm very curious. How did you feel po after passing the NCLEX exam, the moment po na nakita niyo yung result? Can
Sir,
you
hindi
share
ko
to
alam
us?
sa parang that time, parang magpapa-admit na ako sa Royal Ottawa Hospital, which is the mental hospital kasi hindi ko talaga ma-process. Ang kwento niyan, sir, May 20, parang kating-kati ako na buksan yung NCSBN ko.
Mm,
Kasi na-access ko yung NCSBN ko eh. Sabi ko, kapag nandyan na yung available na yung result, kahit $10 pa yan, I will purchase it. Kasi ayoko kahit si iPass magpro-provide, ay hindi ko siya hihintayin. Kasi talagang I want my agony of waiting be over. So, nung nasa parking lot na ako from the bus station, I was talking to my work sis. Of course, the usual. Ano yung atake natin mamaya? Kaninong room ka magtatago para makapag-New World ka? At saka, dinidiscuss yun na kung ano yung babaunin for the following days. Ako
uh,
naman, nakikinig lang ako, pero yung mata ko, nagmo-multitasking ako, nasa NCSBN. Tapos, hindi niya na alam na ini-input ko na yung credit card number ko. Tapos, nung clinic kong purchase, tapos parang nag-lag ako. Tapos salita siya ng salita sa earbuds ko. Sabi ko, sis, please, can you please shut up muna? Wait lang. Wait 2 seconds lang. May pinaprocess ako. Sabi, ano ba yan? Kasi inahanap ko talaga yung pass, tapos in-exit ko. Nakita ko na yung pass for the first time. In-exit ko, tapos nilagin ko ulit. Baka nag-ano lang ako, nagmamalik mata. So, for the second time, nakita ko talaga pass. Sabi ko, sis, I pass. Sabi ko ganun, sis, I pass. Sabi niya, what are you talking about? I pass, sir. Sis, I pass, I pass. Sabi niya, ano nga yan? Bakit? Anong pass? Anong pass? Nagpa-pregnancy test ka ba? Sabi ko, GA. Sabi ko, GA. Hindi ako nagpa-pregnancy test. Sabi ko, ganon. So, sabi ko, I passed the exam. Sabi niya, ano, NCLEX? Sabi niya, when ka pa kumuha? Kasi sir, walang nakakalam. Even my family, they didn't know.
okay.
No one, except Ma'am Paula. Si Ma'am Paula last, of course, yung iPass processing. Kasi sila nang yung nag-process ng scheduling and stuff eh. So, yun. So, the feeling was like high. Parang baliw ako sa parking lot, tapos napaupo na lang ako sa may gilid. Like, para tumutuloy yung luha ko, parang na-flashback yung
Mm,
mga pinaghirapan ko, yung mga early mornings na, iyon, yung gigising ka para lang sa live lecture, especially nung hindi pa yung may DST pa, kasi DST is like 8 p.m. dyan, 7 p.m.
mm.
dito. Ganun.
It's like
So, yeah,
an unexplainable feeling, no? The moment that we
very, very
receive
inexplainable. Until now,
the,
sir, parang over the moon. Ano ba?
yeah, it's really over the moon po. And sir, what
Mm-mm.
advice would you give to someone about to take the NCLEX?
To take the NCLEX, ano lang, do it. Just do it. Kasi you'll never know kung di mo susubukan. Kasi, alam mo sir, nung i-share ko lang ha, nung first try ko sir, one of my fears is to fail. Talaga nakafocus ako na I need to pass. I need to pass. I need to do one time lang because I need to prove na kaya ko rin i-replicate yung self-review sa NCLEX. But I failed. Now, on the second take, of course, with the guidance na ng iPass at saka yung practice test sa UWorld, alam mo sir, nung day na kumuha ko ng exam, wala akong anxiety. Yung anxiety ko, very manageable. Parang wala lang. And I was even doing this, sir. I'm answering the question. Yun pala, sir, ma-adjust yung upuan. Kasi parang mataas yung ano. Tapos, yung doktor na Pinay, nung end niya na sinabi na, ay sir, ma-adjust pala yung upuan. Sabi ko, wag na, tapos na ako. So yun, so on that day, sir, parang wala talaga akong ka-anxiety. I was able to go through it. Parang nagpa-practice test na ako. Like, it is
Mhm,
actually true on my case na kapag if you do practice test, parang magiging secondary nature mo na lang siya when you
mhm,
take the exam, the actual NCLEX. I was remember like before I click next, on my 85th question, I still have 3 hours and 35 minutes and 27 seconds left. So basically, I only did it for 1 hour and 24 minutes. Pag-click
mhm,
ko yun, nag-shutdown na. So sabi ko, after that, sir, parang you would really feel na you did good. Pero hindi naman yung overconfident na ay papasa ako. Pero compared to my first attempt, no, my first attempt was like parang pinagsakluban ako ng langit at lupa.
mhm.
To the point na I called in sick kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Kasi alam ko deep down na I'm going to fail. Kasi yun na nga, na wala akong masyadong guidance ng isang review center, ng isang
Thank you.
iPass. Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Paul.
Yeah.
And one last thing, sir. Looking back, no, what would you have done differently in your preparation?
Siguro kung hindi ako sir naging matigas yung ulo ko, siguro kung hindi ko pinairal yung pride ko na siguro like hindi ako nag-think na I need to do review because I did it before. Kung siguro kung nag-enroll ka agad ako sa iPass, siguro one take lang ako. Siguro. Siguro kung di matigas yung ulo ko. Yun.
Thank you for sharing, Sir Paul. And with that, we would like to present to you your iPass certificate. So this certificate is proudly presented to Paul Terence Leraog for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. This serves as a proof that a successful candidate indicated in
Mhm.
this certificate is a safe nurse based on the USA Standards of Nursing Practice, signed by Sir J. Padong and Sir Mark Zaspa. Congratulations, Sir Paul.
Ah. Shout out to kay Sir Peter o aka MedSurge, Ma'am Roslyn, Ma'am Roxanne, Ma'am Lizelle, Sir Owing, yung Australian RN soon, Anna Dominic, Ma'am Shiny soon, Australian RN, Ma'am G, Ma'am, see you here in Canada. Nancy of Montreal, mag-hop talk na yan sa July 10. Si Ma'am Hazel Dawn, si Ma'am
Oh,
Arlene Dasan, our future Californian nurse. Si Ma'am Yuki, si Ma'am Chai Chai, si Sir RN, RM or Sir Justin, si Sir RC, Ma'am Shibea, Ma'am Jonah, Team Plastic Labo, Team Repolyo, di ba? Team Banana, CC1 Friends, iPass GC 12.2, GC 12.3, Sir Chadley, Sir Edison, Ma'am Ninfa, hi Ma'am Maureen, di ba? Ma'am Jen, Ma'am Nov, Ma'am Christina, Ma'am Raquel, Leah Kim, Sir Erson, Canadian RN na rin yan. Ma'am Lemmy, Ma'am Mags, Ma'am Ayla, Ma'am Josephine, Ma'am Jackie, Ma'am Mayrose. Si Ma'am Mayrose, kakapasa lang yan ng Australian RN yan. So, congratulations, Ma'am. Ka-Zoom party namin yan at saka si Ma'am Ruby Ann. Yun. So, yun na ha. So, hindi ko nabanggit. Pasensya na po kasi ang dami-dami nyo, oh. Diyos ko. Hi, Sir
Ayan.
Ryan.
So we have Sir
Yeah.
Ryan with us tonight. Good
Yes.
evening po, Sir Ryan.
Hi, Sir Paul. We have the same time zone now, Sir Paul.
Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Wait until mag-ano, sir, mag-DST at saka mag-winter. Oh, mararanasan mo na rin para damay-damay na tayo.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, sir, while preparing for my kid to be,
Mm-mm.
tuwang-tuwa ako sa ano mo, sir, experiences mo on your Hope Talk. I was really laughing, although I was not still on screen. And
Mm.
then, yeah, Sir Paul is one of the selfless person or selfless students here in IPAS, and you know what I mean. So he shared everything he learned. And he usually asks, Sir, this is what I learned from my readings. He also shared it to me. So, in one way or another, I learned from him. We learn from each other. So, and the good thing is, he is sharing it to his cycle 11, Sir Paul, na? Or 12? 11.
12. I'm cycle 12 po.
12, yeah. But I think na abutan mo pa rin ang timbanan ng mga timbanan.
Team Repolyo kasi, sir, in one of our sharing, yung sa breast engorgement, share ko lang.
Ay, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah,
remember.
naalala mo yun, sir, yung sabi ko sa iyo, yung sa breast engorgement, lahat kami nag-answer na pump the milk out, apply compress sa inflamed breast. Tapos ang answer lahat kami mali kasi yung answer pala is applied chilled cabbage sa
Yeah,
breast.
that's true. I remember. So, Sir Paul, thank you so much and God bless and congratulations again for acing the NCLEX. Na?
No,
Okay,
thank you,
so
sir. Thank you.
shout out to you and shout out to all your friends in your Zoom party sometimes. But the Zoom party of Sir Paul is about it's about learning and brainstorming. So thank you so much also for helping your classmates, Sir Paul. You touch lots of lives. You change. Actually, you're changing lives also because passing the NCLEX, it's a life-changing situation
True.
or experience. So
Correct.
congrats again and
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank
bless in
you.
your next journey. Thank you, Sir
Oh,
Paul.
Thank you, Sir Ryan. Sir Paul, please continue to inspire more students and motivate your
kung
classmates.
alam, sir, na
Napaka
na-inspire ko sila. Akala ko, sir, tawa lang kami ng tawa. We're just chilling. We're just bunch of group of people would want to beat NCLEX, but and yun, tawa ng tawa, naghaharutan din kami, parang ganun. So, parang wala lang. Parang, actually, I cannot take all the credit kasi I've also learned from them. So, it's just,
mm,
again, it's a two-way process. It's just that I have the Zoom access na mag-last ng 40 minutes.
mm.